Hello guys, the Art-tastic sisters here. Today we are going to make a flowers home decor DIY. So what you'll be needing is 12 ice cream sticks, 5 wires of 25 to 30 centimeter, woolen yarns. I have take 5 woolen yarns of different color. You can take a yarn of one color itself. A paint of a light color, one green paper. I have taken a bottle like this which I am going to cut like this. You can use any other container that resembles this. Now we are going to paint this in the light color. We have painted the container in the light color. Now we are going to take the small pieces of paper and stick it in here and here. Now I'm gonna stick 2 ice cream sticks like this. I have taken a waste strip of paper and I'm going to take the rest of the ice cream stick and paste it in a line. Now we have to take this woolen yarn and start rolling it around something as wide as this scale. This scale is approximately 2.5 to 3 centimeters wide. Now I'm gonna cut off some more of the yarn. Now I'm slowly going to remove this. Now I'm going to tie the string around this. Now I have tied it and I'm going to cut it like this. Now I have folded the wire in half. I'm going to put this like this. And now I have twisted this wire like this. Now I'm going to spread this like this. And now I'm going to cut and give it a proper circular shape. Now I'm going to insert this wire like this and put glue over here. I have made 4 more flowers with the other yarns. Now we are going to cut the leftover of the paper. With the rest of the 2 ice cream sticks, I have cut 4 small pieces of ice cream sticks which are as tall as 4 ice cream sticks put together. Now I'm going to stick them like this. Now I have taken a waste paper and a flower with wires which come like this. And I'm going to place it wherever I want using tape. Now I have taken the container of ours. You can fill it with any waste material. I am going to fill it with crushed aluminium foils. Now I am going to take this which we have made and keep it in top like this. Now we take the green paper and cut out small strips from it. Now I'm going to take these strips of paper and put them in here. Now I'm going to take this and fold it midway like this and stick it on top of this like this. Now this is our final DIY. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you like this video, do check out our playlist of home decor DIYs which is given on the screen right now. There are also some other videos which you may like. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, do drop them in the comment section. See you next Saturday. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, stay creative.